Good night, guys. Now I'm laying on my bed and I have a cold. It's terrible to be like this. I hate it. Oh my god. I'm gonna stay.